This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.
Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Let me tell you as a quick warning that putting this list together made me incredibly hungry, and it'll probably make you hungry too, so just be aware of that. When it comes to Dallas and food, the first thing many people think of is steak. And I will say that Dallas has some great steakhouses and a ton to choose from. According to D Magazine, here are the 5 best steakhouses in Dallas. Number 5, Sear. Sear Steak and Spirits sits on the top of the Hilton Anatole Hotel and has amazing views of the Dallas skyline. The modern steakhouse won OpenTable's Diner's Choice Award in 2020. This 27th floor restaurant is great for date night, but it's also good for group outings as they have plenty of space for impromptu gatherings and corporate events. Sear is known for its elk, bison, and Texas Wagyu ribeye cap with an espresso rub and chocolate bordelaise. Some of the fabulous sides include mac and cheese with andouille crumbles, marrow-golden mashed potatoes, and the broken baker with lamb bacon and crème Fraiche. Based on various reviews, service can drag, so be prepared to have lots of time to take in that view. Number 4, Nick and Sam Steakhouse. Nick and Sam's is an uptown Dallas hotspot with a wide variety of cuts of steak, with focused professional service, an extensive wine list, and live piano music every night. Be sure to check out the dry-aged Chateaubriand filet named the Dirk for just $240, or the longbone ribeye with truffle butter. If you're in the mood for being even more decadent, try the lobster mac and cheese, or if you want something lighter, the Caesar salad is one of the best in Dallas. Zagat calls this restaurant New York style with swanky crowd and killer steaks. They say that Nick and Sam's has top-notch service, beautiful people, and A-list athletes. Needless to say, Nick and Sam's is the perfect place for people watching. Number 3, Bernays. Zagat gives this restaurant praise as a Dallas treasure, never disappoints, out-of-this-world food, and a swanky upscale steakhouse. The restaurant is also called noisy, so this can be a good thing or a bad thing depending on what you're looking for. Zagat also noted that even though it's expensive, it's worth every penny. So what should you order? Try the Wagyu Angus filet, cowboy cut ribeye, or the air, land, and sea, which consists of quail, buffalo, prawn, and scallop. Be sure to explore the wine list as it's one of the best in Texas and has over 650 selections. To make you feel right at home, the owner Al is known for knowing the names of all of the patrons by the time they finish dining. Number 2, Eddie V's Prime Seafood. Don't let the fact that Eddie V's is a chain restaurant let you think that it's not fantastic. It's hard to decide which is better at Eddie V's, the steak or the seafood. Whichever way you decide to go, Eddie V's is known for creative cocktails and top-notch service. For a decadent cocktail, try the 24 Carat, which features Belvedere vodka, Grand Marnier, peach liqueur, raspberries, rosé, and a gold sugar rim. Another one to try is the Hope Diamond. This drink is made with Grey Goose vodka, grapefruit liqueur, butterfly pea flower tea, and a diamond ice cube. Some of the menu favorite sides are the crab fried rice and wok-seared Kung Pao style calamari in spicy soy and ginger sauce. I'm hungry just thinking about it. Number 1, Bob's. Bob's has been a staple in Dallas since 1993 with a focus on quality meat, sophisticated service, and a cozy, clubby atmosphere. Though it is now a chain with several locations, the original Bob's is in the Oak Lawn area of Dallas. According to their website, Bob specializes in serving big, flavorful steaks that are hand-selected from the top 2% of USDA prime beef, along with Texas-sized portions of their award-winning sides. The world-famous glazed giant carrot tradition started over 25 years ago when Bob himself began to disrupt the steakhouse industry. He began pairing each steak with a larger-than-life carrot and a Texas-sized portion of potatoes for a mouth-watering combination. I can tell you, it's delicious. Dallas has so many dining options, so I hope this list gives you a few new places to try to compare for yourself. Let me know in the comments if any steakhouses you think should have made the list didn't. Happy dining!
This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.